Today we are going to be creating a digital dog on the Microbit. If you're already in a program, you can get back to the projects section by clicking up here. And then we can click on new project. And I'm going to call this one dog. And click on create. So I'm going to get rid of both of these blocks for this project as we won't need them. And the first thing I'm going to do is click on the purple section for inputs. And I'm going to click on button A pressed. And the first thing I'm going to do is get my dog to have a wagging tail. So we're going to have the basic show LEDs, and I'm going to draw out a dog. So that's my first image of a dog. I'm then going to go back to the basic section and get another show LEDs block and pop it underneath. And I'm going to draw out the dog again. But this time when it comes to the tail, I'm going to draw it in the opposite direction. Now I could keep getting blocks and doing that so that we had different images each time. So if we look at it on the Microbit, when I press on button A, we can see that it does that. So we could keep having new show LEDs, or we could use the loop section and we can see we've got a repeat 4 times one here. So if I drag that in and I put our blocks inside it, and now if I click on button A, you can see that it repeats the wagging tail 4 times rather than having to use the blocks. I'm then going to make another one, but this time it's going to be for the dog running. So I'm going to get on button A, but instead of it being on button A, I'm going to change it to on button B. I'm going to get our loop again. And I'm going to get a show LEDs. And I'm going to draw our dog. Like this. And then I'm going to get another show LEDs. Draw our dog again. But this time I'm going to make sure the legs are in a different position to show that it's running. So now if I press B, we can see that it's running. And if I press A, our dog has a wagging tail. Once you've finished your program, go to the 3 dots, download as file, click on Microbit and save, and it will download.